Viante mini coffee maker with grinder built-in grind and brew. Bean to cup uses whole coffee beans or ground coffee 4 cups glass Carafe coffee strength selector compact size. Small footprint saves counter space. This coffee machine is one of the smallest bean to cup machines in the market. Its small dimensions, especially its height, save a lot of space in your counter and makes putting it away very easy as it fits in most cabinets. Its reduced height also makes it very easy to fill the grinder with beans and the water tank with water without having to bring the coffee machine from under the cabinet on top of it and closer to you to refill. Uses whole beans or ground coffee. Place your favorite coffee beans in the brewing system or simply use the ground coffee function if you want to use your already ground coffee beans. This coffee maker offers you great flexibility to use any type of coffee you want. Brew fresher coffee. By brewing super fast in smaller batches, you drink fresher coffee. Don't leave coffee sitting in the carafe. Coffee is only fresh for a few minutes after brewing. Brew smaller amounts more often and super fast with this compact coffee maker. Coffee intensity selector. Use the selector to choose from 2 different coffee intensity settings when brewing a full carafe of coffee. Or use the medium setting to get intense results if you are using half of the carafe to brew. 100% money back. If you are not fully satisfied with your product, ship it back for a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.